Hello guys, today we're going to do some practices about the possessive adjectives and pronouns. Remember, we did them last week from our book. Let's start with our first one. Okay, so do you remember we talked about our and ours, your and yours? What's the difference? One of them is a possessive pronoun and one of them is a possessive adjective. So, who are, blah blah, your favorite TV family. Who are your favorite TV family? Sizin. Sorry. Who are your favorite TV family? Here are some of ours. You see, if it were to say our, it should have said, here are some of our favorite TV families. So if it doesn't define the next sentence, the little thing that comes after, it should say ours. So you need to use the S. Do you remember I talked about it last week? When we use the S, it's the possessive S and it means ours, mine, yours, theirs. So these are 3 of our favorite TV families. See? We defined favorite TV families. Whose favorite TV families? Our favorite TV families. These are 3 of our TV families. Now, write in and tell us about yours. Yours, what is that thing that she wants you to talk? Your favorite TV families, right? So your favorite TV family, yours. So we can say your TV family, your favorite TV family equals yours. One of them has the possessive S, one of them does not. So one of them is a possessive adjective and the other one's a pronoun. Let's go on. Possessive adjectives come before a noun to show who something belongs to. It's my book. So it's your book. It's his book, her book, right? When we use the possessive S, it's the adjective version of it. Possessive pronouns can take the place of the possessive adjective and the noun. The book is mine. This book is mine. It's my book, but the book is mine. It belongs to me. Let's do the first example. We did a very similar one last week. It's my book. So the book is mine. Okay, it's your book. This means then the book is yours. Yours. So it's the possessive pronoun. It's blah blah. Well, how will we know what we will use here? The book is hers. So it's her book. Sorry. It's her book. The book is his. So I know that I will need to use he here. It's his book. So for his, it's the same, right? For the possessive pronoun and the possessive adjective, we use his in both sentences. It's our book. The book is ours. The book is theirs. So it's their book. Okay, please take a minute to remember. Let's revise again. It's my book. The book is mine. It's your book, the book is yours. It's her book, the book is hers. It's his book, the book is his. It's our book, the book is ours. It's their book, the book is theirs. Let's check our answers. Alright. So, when we're going to ask the questions for the possessive adjective, we ask, if we're to ask about possession, we use the word, question word, whose. Whose mean who does it belong to. So to talk about possession, add s to the end of a name or noun. If the name or noun ends in an s, add the apostrophe after the s. So Homer's. It means like if it's ending with an s and we're still going to use the possessive s, after it we just use the apostrophe. Okay. Whose son is Bart? We're saying whose son is Bart? No. Who is Bart? Yes. So if we see the name or noun, we use whose. Bart is Homer's son. Do we need the possessive s here? No. Homer's. Who's Lisa's mom? So Lisa, it's a name or a noun, right? So whose? Yes, let's check. Okay, so why do we use whose instead of whose here? Because who is Lisa's mom, right? This means with the apostrophe, who is. Like I said here, whose son? Son is a noun, so it's not a word. But instead here we see the word is. That's why we need to say whose. Next activity. Okay, phone. It's a noun. So how do we say who phone this is? Who phone is this? Or whose phone is this? We say whose phone is this? Ask Jenny. I think it's hers. So who does this phone belong to? It belongs to Jenny. It's Jenny's phone. It's hers. Hey, that's my sandwich, not yours. So I say my sandwich, not your sandwich. But if I'm just going to say not yours, because I'll understand that it's a sandwich, we have to say yours. We need to use the pronoun. It's my sandwich, not your sandwich, or it's my sandwich, not yours. I'm sure that Kate's bike, I'm sure that's Kate's bike, so it belongs to Kate. It looks just like hers. So I know that this bike belongs to Kate. It looks just like Kate's bike, so it looks like hers. Who do you sit next to in maths? Do. It's a verb. So do we use whose or who? We use who. For whose, we need to see the noun. If we see the verb, we use the who. Who do you sit next to in maths? Do we say Rashid or Rashids? Well, it's a possessive s, so it shows that something belongs to somebody. Are we asking about something belonging to someone? No, we're asking who do you sit with. So we just say Rashid. Is that your parents' dog? So parents, it's naturally plural, right? So if we're going to bring the possessive s here, we need to use the apostrophe. If we say parent apostrophe s, we mean one parent, but we need to mean two parents. So parents is dog. Yes, I think it's theirs. Who does it belong to? To your parents. It's theirs. Let's revise. Whose phone is this? Asked Jenny. I think it's hers. Hey, that's my sandwich, not yours. I'm sure that's Kate's bike. It looks just like hers. Who do you sit next to in maths? Rashid. Is that your parents' dog? Yes, I think it's theirs. Okay, so we know the family members, right? We learned mother, father, sister, brother, son, daughter, grandparents, like grandmother, grandfather, and uncle, and aunt. So let's read and match. So this is his dad, right? So dad's brother. Let's see. Dad's big brother is this one. So Grandpa Roger, Grandma Diana, and my Aunt Gemma. Let's read. So if you haven't read this part before, please pause the video and read the text first, so you'll know. To complete the spaces in the picture, we need to read the text so we can find out what are the missing words from it. Like, here's a photo of my dad's side of the family. My dad's got a big brother called Bob. So, my dad's big brother. He's my uncle and he's great. He's so funny. His wife Gemma is my aunt, of course, and she's my dad's sister-in-law. She's also really nice. They've got two sons, Jimmy and his little brother Robin. They're my cousins. Jimmy is also my best friend. Of course, my dad and Bob have the same mom and dad. They are my grandparents. I call them Grandma Diana and Grandpa Roger. They're really nice to me because I'm their only granddaughter. So let's underline the words that are related to his family. That side of the family. Family. Big brother called Bob. Uncle. Aunt. His wife Gemma is my aunt. My dad's sister-in-law. Two sons. Jimmy and his little brother Robin. Brother. They're my cousins. Jimmy is also my best friend. Of course, my dad and Bob have the same mom and dad. They are my grandparents. I can call them Grandma Diana and Grandpa Roger. Grandma and Grandpa. They're really nice to me because I'm their only granddaughter. Okay. Now let's revise again. So Roger is his grandpa and Diana is his aunt, cousin, or was it aunt or his grandmother? What do you think? My aunt Gemma, Jimmy's little brother Robin, his cousin. That's big brother, my uncle Jimmy. Sorry, my cousin Jimmy. Alright, these are the answers. Okay, I want to give you a homework. So I want you to write a similar paragraph that we just read, talking about your father's side of the family. You can use the paragraph in page 40 as an example. You can use this paragraph as the example. So this is it for this week. Thank you for watching, and please be careful about where you go out. So thank you.